Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of you students, class 3. Hope you are good. This is your lecture number 12 of your English subject, and today we are going to do workbook page number 44 and 45. So kindly open your workbooks. Students, here I have opened your workbook page number 44 first. So you can see here we are having a very important tense, present continuous. So we will read the definition of this tense. It tells us about what is happening now. कि ये टेंस हमें बताता है कि अब क्या हो रहा है. Like students, you are sitting and eating something. So someone says Ali is eating food. अभी आप खाना खा रहे हो, अभी आपने उसे फिनिश नहीं किया, यानी उस अभी बैठ के जो आप काम कर रहे हो वो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में आएगा. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कैन बी मेड बाय एडिंग इज, आर और एम. जो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस होता है इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स जो होते हैं हमारे वो इज, आर और एम होते हैं बिफोर द वर्ब एंड एडिंग आईएनजी टू द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. और हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म यानी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जो होती है वी सिंपली ऐड आईएनजी जस्ट टू मेक इट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Here we have given an example. I am reading a book. You can see students here we have used am with subject I. You can see these are the helping verbs, and according to the tense we will use them if they are required in the sentence. Like if you need is, so you will place is with the singular subject. अगर आपका subject singular है तो आप उसके साथ इज़ लगाएंगे. अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है यू विल प्लेस आर विद इट. एंड याद रखें बच्चे, इसमें जो एम वर्ड है वो आई के साथ ही आता है और किसी के साथ नहीं आता. लाइक आई विल चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इन शी इज़ रीडिंग अ बुक, सो आई हैव यूज्ड इज़ विद शी बिकॉज शी इज़ सिंगुलर. Describe the picture using present continuous sentences. Students, you can see this picture. Here we can see two boys playing with leaves and a man is baking some buns. A family is walking there. A squirrel is also sitting on the tree. So we will write small sentences about this. Students, here I have given you some examples, but you will make some other sentences. The two boys are playing with leaves. You can see here boys are plural because they are two in number. So I have used here are, the word helping verb are, because are is placed after plural subjects. So I have used the first form of verb play with ing. The two boys are playing with leaves. The next is a man is baking buns. You can see the man is singular, so I have used here is according to the rule of present continuous. And baking, with the first form of verb I have used ing. Buns. A family is walking and eating. You can see the family is walking and eating. A squirrel. You can see this is the squirrel. A squirrel is also eating buns. It is also eating buns. The weather is looking, and we will also discuss the weather in this picture. The weather is looking beautiful. Now students, move towards the next question, that is change the simple present continuous sentences into negative and interrogative. Students, we have given here simple sentences. The simple sentences are those sentences in which not is not used and in which question is not asked. जिसमें एक सिंपल बात की जाए, स्टेटमेंट होती है जिसमें ना तो वर्ड नॉट आता है ना ही लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है, डैट इज़ कॉल्ड द सिंपल सेंटेंस. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस we will change them in negative. Negative sentences are those sentences that have the word not in them, and the interrogative sentences are those sentences in which question is asked. Change the simple present continuous sentences into negative and interrogative. We are having the statement here. We have discussed it. So we will change this sentence into negative and interrogative. Ali is eating a banana. Students, it's a very easy tense. You will just place your word not after The helping verbs is, are, am. So you will get your sentence negative, like Ali is, I put here the word not here. Ali is not eating a banana. This is your interrogative sentence. It's very, very easy. Now students, if you want to make it interrogative, you will place the is in start of the sentence. आप इसको स्टार्ट में ले आए. is Ali. I have written A for Ali, capital Y, because students, it's a name of it's a proper noun, it's a name of a person, so I have used the letter A, capital here. Is Ali eating a banana? You will put question mark at the end of the sentence because it's very necessary. And in the next, I am going to market. I have already told you that you will put just the word not after is, are, am. Here we were having is, here we are having am. So I am going to write here the word not after am. I am not going to market, and full stop. Am, because you will place am in the start of the sentence. Am I going to market? At the end, question mark. They are playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. Are they playing cricket? Teacher is discussing lesson. Teacher is not discussing lesson. Is teacher discussing lesson? We are listening to teacher. The negative sentence of this is we are not listening to teacher. Are we listening to teacher? So students, this was the lecture of the day, present continuous tense. You will learn the definition of this tense and also do practice of this. Make some other sentences negative and interrogative in your notebook. So stay happy. Allah Hafiz.